I made all of my Pokemon as mad at me as possible because I don't want affection determining the outcome of a battle. I don't want my birder here surviving an attack because, oh, he loves you so much that he just didn't want to go down. We don't do that around here. So I bought all the very bitter medicine that they would absolutely hate to eat, and I'm feeding it to all of them. There's no power of friendship in here. We're gonna win on our own merits. Oh god, there's so many fish! Even Team Galactic has no use for Magikarp. Worthless, all of them. Is this... You know how in Project Zomboid, you like have dead bodies and they stink and they make you depressed? So you gotta drag them. What are we laughing about? Laughing about fish. Are you just laughing about the dead pile of fish? Look at them, they're sad. Are they? What emotion is that? Weak we foughing about. Is weak an emotion? Would you rather have the ability to speak all languages or have the ability to communicate with animals? Dang, that's a pretty good one. Which one would I rather do? Let me fly here and heal my Pokemon while I think. Because you can speak with animals. You can know anything that they're talking about. Well, speaking all languages would open, like, so many job opportunities. That'd be pretty cool. And they could... So it's basically, would you rather be able to communicate with any other human being? Or would you rather be able to communicate with any animal? I'm gonna go with the animals. I want to be able to explain to the arcade cats, you know, like, you're chunky, you need to go on a diet, sir. Or madam. In this case, madam. Rather have unlimited bacon but no games, or games, unlimited games but no games. I love that one. I love that one so much. Animals the worst choice. Imagine birds. You just wake up in the morning to birds yelling to another bird. Animals is a really bad one. No. Animals is great. You can understand what they're saying, but it doesn't mean you have to, like... Is it like a second language thing? Because you know how you could just, like... Well, I don't know if you can relate, but can you just, like, turn your brain off to it? And just be like, those bird songs are pretty, but if I pay attention, I can tell what they're saying. Imagine any language, though. You could become a translator famous worldwide. You could. Wait, do you mean any language? It did say speak all languages. So could I speak, like, Klingon from Star Trek? Could I speak to twins who have a secret form of communication to each other, which would be considered a language, and then I could be like a third? Like, these twins think they're talking to each other in a secret code they learn, but it's like, haha, I can actually speak it. Could I speak Morse code? Could I speak the dead language of Latin? Questions to ponder. Joystick speaking Morse code? Yeah, just speaking Morse code. I don't know what it would sound like, something like that. Holy shit, look at that guy go! Is he okay? He's doing trick shots out here. Woo! Oh, he stopped just for me. Thank you. Woo! Look at him go! It's lime. The strange green liquid that I made. Would you like to be my test subject? It's lime flavored. Is it perhaps simply just lime? I got 690 tokens. I have just thing to enjoy my snacks too. I knew it. I didn't put extra sound bites to the strip one because I didn't think we'd see it more than... Oh god. Why? I don't like being stripped naked and then just hearing a demand for fee. I'm very uncomfortable, but here you paid for beans, I guess. You can see his baldness, but there's no baldness to see. What do you see that's bald? Getting goddamn... Put on a hat next time. You guys complain. It's not even bald. It's all purple fur. God damn it. Can I tell you a knock knock joke? Yes, but only if I can start it. Knock knock. Ew, why is there water down there? I don't know why there's water down here. All right, but you have to start off. Oh, we were... Wait, SCP-49, were we both going in the same direction? No way. That's actually insane. We were both going for the same stupid joke.
Hey, Squidward, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Ah,
Haku.
gotta spit on the thing.
I hated this, Rax. What the fuck was that? No, not Yippee. Why would you Yippee that? That was an awful joke. I did not think on the list of things that I was gonna hear today or experience. It was SpongeBob and Squidward knock knock hug to a joke. Here's your toe beans fish stick. Here's your toe beans. Yippee. Feet. Yes, here's your hand feet. front feet? What do you call these guys? There you go. Use your beans. 150 tokens for this shit. What is this empty dead end room?
From Rex Rackham says, I've got
Oh, what is it, Tracer?
Into Hogtocon. The Talk has really convinced me this is the best way to double my money. I swear it'll go to the moon, guys. Like, Hogtar, got spit on that thing.
I hope hearing Tracer say TUAH doesn't awaken anything in anybody. Not that it did in me, but that is also funny. Tracer falling for a TUAH coin. Probably
right,
we're creating.
the hawk. The spit on that thing. The hawk chosen especially to chew on that thing. That thing spit. That hawk chew on.
I'll give you this, Rex. You're getting creative with your hawking and your TUAH. I'll give you that. I didn't expect Gronk on TUAH. Pull the lever. Do not pull the lever, Gronk. I don't know where that lever's been. Favorite shiny? Fuck, dude. Polytoad shiny is so cotton candy baby. Like, I love Polytoad shiny. That's a good one. That's a good one.
From Rack Raccoon says, my favorite pastime is watching Talk to a while absolutely devouring my favorite snacks, mobiles. They're super good. So we keep them in my mouth, licking all the chocolate on. My pocket, gotta suckle on them things until I get to the crunchy core. Crunch is the best. I'm telling you, nothing better than it.
I think this is my least favorite fucking thing Rack has posted. It's Hawk TUAH and it's malt balls. I hate it. And then it's Walter White just kind of like just saying it. I hated that. Masturbate, and I fell for it. The rage in my heart knows no limits now. I want to strangle Rack. What a great voice the TTS got. It's honestly probably the worst one that it could have gotten for that. I do not like the imagery of Walter White slurping on some malt balls in a very suggestive manner. This is horrifying. Flamethrower. Isn't that better than lava plume?
Feet.
TTS monster defaulted to Rocket Raccoon for that one, huh? Yeah, why not? Wait, which one's the one that's randomized? Is it not TTS? Is it the other one? It's text to speech is the randomized one. Text to speech will just give random ones unless you pick a particular voice for it to pick, right? I think that's right.
Elvis Melody wants you to know something. Feet, boom, 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 feet.
I know this isn't how you intended it to go, but Walter White saying feet, boom, in a weird rhythmic way is kind of funny in its own way. Text to speech is not the right one. Feet, boom. I bitch think I thought it was funny.
Rick S. an idiot who goes past a note to Raccoon Arcade. People.
What the hell? Why does it keep getting Walter White? It's supposed to be randomized. Oh god, 4-9, I just saw that message. Wonder what text to speech you're gonna get. Where did the disconnect take sometimes?
Says,
oh, Solid Snake. I don't like this. I don't like the sound of Solid Snake quivering and making these sounds. That was I didn't like that one. Help indeed. This is horrible. Why are y'all doing this? Alright, is this a double battle? Something huge is going to happen, I think. Maybe, right? I think looking at chat right now, something huge is about to happen. Don't meddle around. Of course you're going to, aren't you? That's why the two of us will team up to take you to the ground. Alright, put him up, put him up.
Wants you to know something.
Why? Ah! Ah, he made some weird noises towards the end there. What was that?
Sporting wants you to know something.
Stop! They're all Solid Snake and Walter White are moaning like ghosts into my ears. I don't like. No! I don't like it. Stop it! What are y'all doing to my ears? This is assault. Okay, refocus. All right, what was I doing? Who's fighting? Kyle Dorito. Why not? I don't even know who to pick. That was actually probably not a good choice. Hearing Tracer go a little insane was a little bit funny. All right. At least there's something a little bit different in there too. Booga booga, bunga bunga, bonk on rock. Why not? Waiting for the crash out. I don't even know what to crash out to. I am just being heavily confused one more time. No. Oh my god, how many of them do you guys have? Please.
I'm now going to do something a little unconventional. I
think if Solid Snake went to an opponent in full stance and just said, all right, maybe I can't beat you, but I'm going to try something unconventional, and then just proceeded to have a seizure, and I don't know. I don't know what do you call those noises? What is Solid Snake even doing? I've captured both mythical deities. Good for you, Cyrus. Dialga and Palkia.
A mail from his
Now,
49 says,
what is it, Tracer?
Fate.
Ah!
Fate.
I didn't know the two Texas speeches could happen at once.
Fate.
Wait, the GLaDOS one is kind of funny.
Fate. Fate.
Fan mail
Feet,
from
feet,
Lucas
feet.
in the Deal says, meow for me.
I don't like Joker saying meow for me. I sure hope he's not telling Harley Quinn that, or... Oh god, what if he's telling his hostages that? I don't like it. No, Joker, why? I like GLaDOS doing it though. It's almost kind of funny. Is GLaDOS saying it as a command or just a matter of fact? Beat. Boom. Like GLaDOS has a turret pointed at you and just explodes you if you do not expose feet. It's one way to do it. This is hilarious. This is something. Hey look, it's Palkia. Are you horny for GLaDOS? No. I just thought GLaDOS was funny. That's all I said. Oh. Am I frozen? Ah, shit. When was the last time I saved? Just a second ago, right? I'm pressing A. It's not doing anything. Uh-oh. Guys, I think the music's looping. We're gonna call that technical difficulties, and we're gonna hit that fat restart button. Give me 2 seconds. You guys crashed the game with Feet Boom. Are you happy? Are you real happy with yourself? World cannot be molded into the old. It's far easier to create an entirely new world. Hey, look, this cutscene is actually playing. A new world in which I am the ruler of all things. Okay, so whatever I was doing was just breaking everything. Oh, BRB, you lurk it up. Thank you, random citizen, for lurking. Alright, let's break this down again. And then try to get fixed now that we got past that cutscene, I hope. Imagine lurking instead of jerking with the rest of us. Please time me out for that one. Now I wish I hadn't thought of this one. Lurking instead of jerking. Sometimes I look over at chat and I don't understand what's happening.
Feet, 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 feet,
Is GLaDOS demanding it? Fine, GLaDOS, fine. Here. Leave me alone, GLaDOS. You want revenge for Bonodori? I found how to beat it, right? When the technique is just focus on the girl's hands clapping and not the music after like 3... Excuse me, Sonic, what the fuck? That was very rude. I was listening. I was trying to read what Ricky had to say. And then Sonic just bursts in and starts... I don't even know what Sonic did. Making random noises. Anyway, after like 3 hours of training, you should have it. I do not want 3 hours of training. I do not want to think about Bonodori ever again. Dolphin noises. Alright, chat, give us your best dolphin noise impression. I'll go first. Or is that a cat clicking? Same difference. Going to commit a federal crime and play with the victim before killing them. My impression of a dolphin. Yeah, that sounds about right. If it was translated, yeah.
What do you mean dolphin nose is your yoing kikin kakankai kenny oyo kyun kanon kunanum you can koyo no nam rop p.
I'm gonna have to give GLaDOS a failing grade for dolphin noises. I don't think that's correct. Get burned. And then Aqua Jet. Ah!
Potato. Potato.
Why'd you pronounce it like that?
Potato. On fish roast.
On fish. What? Am I hearing things, or did GLaDOS say potato in like the most Irish accent possible that she could have? Potato. Oh, what the fuck was that? What did he just do? The splash plate? What?
Nobody wants you to know something.
Wingsy throw a splash plate at Fire Fist 8! I'm so tired. I think I need a nap too. Gate switch was stolen. Are you passing out again, or are you just tired of the feet? Joystick, Google Pizzle. I am scared to Google Pizzle. Is it a puzzle or is it Piz? It's not bad, I swear. It's bad. I don't know. Ricky's saying it's bad. I don't know. Ricky's lying. It's not bad. I don't know. I don't know. Rax, is Pizzle bad? I need a tiebreaker. As much as you can't trust me, it's... Well, it's bad the same way Googling pube is. What? I guess that's bad, but like, what? What a weird comparison. I almost want to Google it out of curiosity now. Ultra Ball go! This is the last one we have. Oh? Real? Yo! Yo! Oh. Look at that. It's going to start struggling. At some point it will. Yo! Fish Stick knew what was up. Apparently the Ultra Ball is better than a regular Pokeball. Who would have thought? Palkia's dad will get it to Pokedex. It's said to live in a gap in the spatial dimension parallel to ours. Palkia appears in mythology. Now Google Pizzle. Oh my god. What do we name the Palkia while I Google Pizzle? I guess Pizzle, man. Where is it? Where is it? Oh god, I forgot this was on screen. Alright. Pizzle. Oh. Middle English word for penis. Derived from Low German Pessel or Flemish Dutch Pezzel, diminutive of the Dutch language pees, meaning sinew. The word is usually today to signify the penis of an animal, chiefly in Australia and New Zealand. Bull's Pizzle. Pizzle. Well, there's Pizzle. Are you happy now? Are you happy that we Googled Pizzle? What did that solve?